Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by my channel. This is Koina and today I want to share a Sunday with you all. So just because it is Sunday, I try to spend it in a different way. I like to wake up a little late, like 9 to 10ish, and then the most important thing to start a day is to hydrate. I try to drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water every day to improve my organs. I also like to snuggle in my blanket till the minute possible. So this is a clip of me drinking water. So if you're watching this, go grab your bottle and drink the water. So I get my to-do list and my planner with me on the bed and write up the things I plan to do for the day. So Sundays are usually relaxing day, so I'll just plan my day accordingly. Then in my YouTube planner, I plan for the next video, and yes, that is some bits of me trying to be regular in this platform. So basically, I'll jot down the points that I need to work on for the next video. Then, like all the other days, I have to leave my bed and make it up for the day. And here comes another important fuel for my system, tea. I'm a huge tea drinker. I need tea, that is before starting for anything. So here is a satisfying tea making clip for all the tea lovers out there. So after having my tea, my mom gave me the breakfast. So Sundays are cheat days for my family, so we cheat our diet for the day. Here I'm having puri with chole and jalebis. Then I did some regular studies and caught up with the judgments of Supreme Court. There are regular cases and judgments updates on the Supreme Court website. It is important for a law student or a young lawyer or judiciary or UPSC aspirants like me. Then just because it was Sunday, my parents decided to go on a cruise. We went to this open cruise and these are all the migratory birds, and there were this bird food selling on the cruise and we were feeding them. It felt really beautiful watching these birds flying in groups for food. So it was a 45 minutes cruise, and after spending a beautiful afternoon on the cruise, we came back and took shower and then went to prepare dinner. So during lockdown, I used to cook one meal daily for my family, but now when we are back to our normal busy lives, I can't make time to cook food. So I tried to cook at least once a week for my family because cooking is something I really enjoy. So I'm making tomato soup. It's pretty basic. You have to boil some tomatoes and peas I have added for my preference. And then here I'm adding some olive oil, and there I am adding some garlic and some peppercorns. And this is just Indian jugaad I am doing to crush the peppercorns. Now after you roast this garlic and the peppercorns, the aroma will tell you that they are done. Now after that you have to add the puree of the boiled tomatoes onto the pan and mix it properly. After that you have to add the water that you boiled the tomatoes in into the pan, because those are some good nutrients filled water. Now after the soup comes into a boil, you have to add some corn flour stirred with water, what you call the corn flour slurry, into the soup so that the soup gets a little bit dense and thicker. And then you have to mix everything properly so that nothing sticks at the bottom or side. Then for more flavor, you have to add some black pepper and a block of butter onto the soup. And here I'm struggling with the butter that came out of the refrigerator. So after adding the butter, you will get your delicious tomato soup, and I have cut some bread pieces to go with the soup. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Also, please do subscribe to my channel. That will mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.